I have an incredibly amazing offer for you. This is our gem. Look at this fantastic duplex we have here with 3 bedrooms and a separate living room with a large kitchen where I am right now. And the most interesting part, there is a terrace with a jacuzzi. The project is in a high stage of completion, and the views here are simply stunning. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Let this duplex be your motivator for earning money and admiring such results of your achievements. I can't wait to show you this, to show the sea view, the view of Ayash from the 13th floor. Our beautiful beach, the Mediterranean Sea, and views like these. We see all this from the huge terrace. Construction is still ongoing here, but I must emphasize that it is of high quality. The readiness and the quality of the finish are excellent. A jacuzzi is planned here. A great feature. I think you'll like it too. And here is such an amazing hall with a very good large area. And such stunning views. This is our hallway, our front door. And this is our equally stunning kitchen with plenty of storage space. In the kitchen area, we have swim. In the bedrooms, there will be laminate and such stunning views. A spacious common bathroom. Stairs leading down. There, the bedrooms await us. A large bedroom with its own bathroom and a balcony. And this, folks, is not the master bedroom. Ready for the master bedroom? Let's go. So, are you ready to see the master bedroom? Well, here it is. The master bedroom. You will definitely like it. Look at these wonderful views. It will satisfy even the most demanding request. By the way, these are our new technologies, and all of this opens up and turns into an open terrace. Bedroom. I've seen studio apartments as large as this bedroom. Here's such a cool bathroom. We have a staircase to the 2nd floor. We've been there with you. This is our laundry room. There's an exit to the fire escape. There is the bottom. And another stunning bedroom also with a bathroom. If you've noticed, there's a bathroom in every bedroom. Here we have a view opening up to the mountains. I hope you liked it. Write your impressions in the comments below the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next videos, bye bye.